Hello, this is Shak once again. We are looking at Lanka Indian Oil Company. I'm doing the wrap-up video for Lanka Indian Oil Company as promised. Today is Friday, last day of trading for the week. Most probably in about 3 hours will be the trading will cease for the week. Well, we are doing a study on the Lanka Indian Oil Company. Now, what happened to Indian Oil Company here? Now, you see a very nice bullish trend keeping up, and it's been outperforming as well. So let me try to do a comparison for this one. We're talking about All Share Price Index. Let's see whether I could come up with this. Yes. Okay, so this is the 1 year chart that you have here, and the counter has been trading well above the All Share Price Index. Volumes, we have seen a surge as well. A lot of activity here as well. RSI gave a strong buy around here towards 38, and it went appreciated by 9 rupees. Now, what are we looking at here? What we need to look at here? Okay, now let us take the recent price action. So I'm gonna zoom this one to year to date and make it further for the last 6 months. Excellent. Now, if you've taken for the last six months, last 6 months, we are seeing the index is trading above the current market price of Lanka Indian Oil Company. Now, RSI is getting corrected. It's around 55, which is good, and what I have highlighted here in this horizontal lines are the probable supports that we should be having. Initial support is around 43 or 44, which is this point. Okay, and then we have a very strong support, which that would be around 4150. Okay, so this would be another support, and we have a solid support at this point, which is the we are talking about July 7th probably, which tested the low point. So since then we have the 3-month support very solid as well. So we are talking about a price which is here. So we have 3 more hours of trading left for the week. Right now, let's map the direction the Lanka Indian Oil Company. Now, had a high of around 49, and we had a low of around 44. So we are here, 49 and 44. Now, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna draw a horizontal box here. Okay, so we are concentrating here the price action. Closed on the XD prior to the XD date around 47.50, and with a gap started trading, tested 44, and was trying to came close to 61.8 on the Fibonacci tool, started the pullback, which is healthy. In any short uptrend, we should see testing of around 50%, and then we come on a pullback. Now, will 45 stay as a support? I like if 45 stays at a support, because now the pullback is completed on the 23.6. You would have seen some pullback even goes to 88.6, that should be around here. That is not breaching 44, it should be around here. I prefer if it comes though to around 44.50. Okay, now let us pull this one and see the 88.6, which is this pullback, or the extreme pullback completion. Okay, so I'm going to do something like this to show. Yes, did you see this? 44.50 would be our extreme pullback. So it does not breach 44 and comes closer to testing the support, and then we should see it heading. We should see it heading towards 48. So this is our target for the next week. Most probably should see a pullback completion around 44.50 preferably, or it could even go from here 45, could go to 48. So our trading strategy would be 45 or 44.50 and shoot it to around 48. So that's my view on Lanka Indian Oil Company. At the moment it's trading around, at the current market price, let's see, yep, 45 still. Okay, so seen about 36,000 volume of trade, not much compared to these levels. So there is not much of selling. It's individual retailers or the small time retailers getting out of their positions, seeing 1, 2, 3 red candles. So this is how it is. Now the important thing, why these retailers, most probably the retailers missing is their patience. The key for trading is patience. You don't have patience, you are not going to do well in the long term. So have a bit of patience. Hold on to this share, which is already we've discussed in many trades that it's one of the undervalued shares, which has huge potential for an upward momentum. If you are strong in your conviction, then probably we are seeing around 53, 56 in the near future. So there's lots of positives for Lanka Indian Oil Company. Currently trading below ASI performance slightly. So once this price starts moving up around 48, so we should be on par with the ASI index. So that's it, and have a great weekend as well. Enjoy, and let's come back on Monday and see how it goes.